In this video, we're going to discuss how to install a retractor bracket to your retractor, and then of course bolting it into your vehicle. The bolting into your vehicle should be pretty self-explanatory. You're going to have either two holes that both need a bolt, or you might just have one hole depending on the style vehicle you have. If it's just one hole, of course line the bolt up, put your bracket down and bolt it in. Of course use a wrench. If it's two, you'll have two bolts and you'll bolt it on either side. It's just an orientation based thing. If you have questions, for sure call us. But once this bracket is bolted into your vehicle, you will then take your retractor, you'll take your bolt, stick it through the back of the retractor. You're going to bolt that right up to the bracket. You'll use the lock washer and the bolt and the nut. You're going to torque that down with a wrench, and that should be it. Once that's installed, of course, you can then install your doorpost fitting higher up, and should go in just like it needs to. If you have any questions, give us a call, 405-736-0088, or you can send us an email through the website.